guys, and welcome back to another vlog. And if you're new, hi. I've just woke up, as you can see. So I did my makeup and I ate something. Let's get changed. Shirt is from Calvin Klein, pants are from Puma, and I'm changed. I think the full outfit is from H&M. As always, Killer Queen perfume. So I have a problem. My zipper just broke, and this is the only pants that fit me like good. So fixed my hair, put on some different pants, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna rip out of these because they're really tight on the booty and not on the waist. So yeah, girl struggles. So I'm gonna go to my grandma with my dogs. So it is currently 1:30ish. A little while ago, and with little I mean like a couple of months, I showed you guys on my Instagram a picture of which hair dye to buy to put in my hair. But I'm gonna do it at the end of today, and my boyfriend has no clue, and he's not a big fan of weird colors. So I'm also gonna film his reaction to it. And if you want to be a part of future decisions like that, then you should definitely go and follow me on my Instagram, because I will be doing a lot more polls of different kind of things. I have arrived and they are ready to jump out, so let's go see my grandma. Every time someone comes at the door to deliver mail or something, it's annoying. So I'm gonna do a workout, and I'm gonna show you guys which color it is gonna be. Then I'm gonna dye my hair in. If you were part of the poll on my Instagram, you will already know what the results are. So a little drum ruffle. It's gonna be burgundy, and it is from the L'oreal Colorista, and it's a washout. So yeah, I don't know how this is gonna look on me, but we're gonna find out in a little bit. First, I'm gonna work out. So the rest of my workout I'll do off camera, because you don't need to see everything, right? I did my workout and I'm gonna do some more later on, but first I'm gonna work on dinner for tonight. And then, so I'm realizing it's 4:30, so I'm gonna start dyeing my hair. I want to see my boyfriend's honest reaction, so if it's in Dutch I'll translate it, because if I start talking English he knows for sure that I'm filming it. Yeah, I'm not gonna be blonde anymore. What if it turns out to be horrible? Oh, we'll see. The color I'm gonna dye my hair in is burgundy, but the thing is, they don't have any actual results for blonde hair. Yeah, so this is gonna be scary. I have no idea how this is gonna turn out. So we're just gonna start dyeing my hair. I mean, if this is gonna be my hair, oh my god. Oh my god. Let's see if there's enough in here to cover my whole head. There we go. Oh, that's intense, guys. This is really intense. And there's no going back now. Did I do the right decision? I don't know. You guys chose. So if it's ugly, I'm gonna blame you guys. Okay, it looks really, really dark. Yeah. Let's start with doing the upper part too. And all I do with a hair dye is just putting it in there, rubbing it in there. All I do is squeeze, put it on there, and then, yeah, rubbing, dividing, praying it's gonna look good. I'm hoping that brushing my hair will help defy the paint a little bit. It might not, but at least I tried. I'm not hating it so far. I was really scared to do this, but it looks good so far. I still have to wash it out. I am so curious what people are gonna think of this. So I have to leave it in for 50 minutes, and if I want it a little bit more intenser, for 20. So I'm gonna go with 17 minutes to have it not too light, not too intense, I think. The alarm has went off, so I'm gonna wash my hair and see what the end results are. Hi guys, I'm back. I washed my hair and I dried it with my hair dryer, and then for the rest I'm air drying it. And I kind of love it, but it's also weird because it looks so different in different lights. Yeah, let me know what you think in the comments down below, because I'm not sure how to feel about this. So if I'm not sure, how the hell am I supposed to know how my boyfriend will react? Right now, I'm cooking my dinner, so this is gonna be the angle for when my boyfriend gets in. Is there any difference when I turn on the light? Not really, a little bit. So it's almost time for my boyfriend to arrive. Another few minutes, and I'm stressing out because I'm not sure if I like it. So how is someone else supposed to like it? That's just I don't know. Give this video a thumbs up to show me some love and support with my hair. Why does he keep talking to the neighbor? Yeah? You like it? He likes my hair. I did not expect that. Oh my god! We seriously need to buy some new lighting, because I think today's footage sucks because you don't see anything, all you see is a black spot. So, we walked the dogs, we ate our food, and now I'm gonna end the vlog. And subscribe to my channel if not already to make me smile like an idiot. I love you and I hope to see you next time. Bye!